friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a lover of all things beauty, and here on my channel I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, skincare, nails, fashion, lifestyle, pretty much anything and everything I think might be beneficial for you guys. I am a full-time working mama in the corporate world, and I do YouTube and partner with some companies on the side. So I'm really excited today. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, and I've been putting it off for whatever reason, and I am packing for a work trip, and I thought this is a perfect time to go ahead and share with you guys some of my travel essentials. So these are products that I've purchased to help make travel easier. Now, the first thing I want to say is the caveat of I'm not a global globetrotter or anything like that. Like, I travel once every quarter minimum for work. I have leadership meetings that I have to attend every single quarter. And then I visit my sister in South Carolina. I visit my mom in Florida, and then just regular family trips. So I don't want to say that I am by any means like a super traveler or anything like that, but I travel pretty frequently. And as I travel more and more, I come across more products that make traveling easier. And so I figured I'd go ahead and share them with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's talk about the first thing. So normally when I'm traveling, I do a carry-on. So I only do a carry-on in a personal item. And previously, before finding this product, I used to do my personal item as like a big laptop purse, like a shoulder purse. And I found that I was jamming so much stuff in it that it was killing my shoulders. So I found this product, and oh my goodness. So this is a backpack that I purchased off of Amazon. And what I love about it is gigantic, first off. It is perfect for traveling. I was able to shove every single thing that I needed in here for when I went to go see my mom in Florida when I was caretaking for her. And I was just amazed at how much stuff I was able to shove into it. The other thing I like about it has so many pockets and divisions. It's so easy to be organized. There's one at the top. There's a big one right here at the bottom. You open this up and there's some more pockets. Then you've got some side pockets to keep some drinks in. You have this huge pocket that goes all the way down here. You also have the external battery pack, so you hook up your USB cord, and inside you can keep one of the brick battery packs. It has a thing right here. I don't necessarily use that, but it also has some like a ton of product or pockets in here, and then also a laptop. This is great. It is so much more comfortable because I'm able to evenly distribute the weight between my shoulders. Now, granted, when I went to my mom's house, I had it jammed packed with stuff, so it hurt a little bit. Like, I was alternating between my back and then putting it on my front. I was like, I don't care, because it was literally the only thing that I had. I didn't have a carry-on to like slap it on, but I just absolutely loved it. It also has this back here, so you can slide it down onto the carry-on and just have it there if you want to roll it. It's just honestly and truly the best, the best product. And then I like the fact that it opens up almost like a square. It's a little bit, easier to jam pack stuff in instead of like the regular rounded top. It's just amazing. If you're looking for a great diaper bag option, this is going to be your best friend because there's so many pockets. I can see a lot of moms loving this backpack. Let's talk about the things that I shove into that backpack. So when I travel, I do, it's easy because I'm doing a carry-on, so I always have things accessible, but I put the stuff in the carry-on that I don't anticipate opening in the airport. I'm the type of person, I want my carry-on to be organized because I always get my bag pulled all the time. And so usually I keep trail mix in. If you take any snacks, I recommend that you put them in like a personal item right here, because it's a heck of a lot easier to have them go through that than it is to open up your carry-on and have them literally throw your underwear all over the place, which has happened to me more than once. And now I keep my underwear in a little thing, and I'll show you that. And some of these are going to be random stuff, and it's not like necessarily brand specific, but the things that I always travel with regardless of where I'm going. So the first thing is gum. I always have gum because the gum at the airports are always stupid expensive and I don't want to pay it. I always come with a lint roller because you just never know when you might wear black and all of a sudden there's a whole bunch of stuff in it. I always travel with, I don't know what the heck happened to her, a small, she needs to be cleaned. she really needs to be cleaned. But this is one of the small wet brushes. I prefer taking this than a big old brush because I have limited space. And to me, this does my hair just as much as a regular one, but I just like the mini size. The other thing I always take, and I'm using it right now, obviously I always bring a wallet. I always bring a full-size wallet because I always bring one of these little fanny packs with me. These are the little shoulder, it's not really a fanny pack, but it's a shoulder thing. Lululemon has a whole bunch of them. I like this one. This is from a brand called Savvy. I used to partner with them and I don't really talk about them that much anymore. I love this bag because it's got this back pocket right here where I can take, like if I'm worried, I don't know, it's like right here, so nobody's gonna steal anything, but just, you know, feminine hygiene products and all that stuff. And then it has some pockets in here, and then it has a front pocket where I usually keep like my key and stuff like that. But I always take one of these with me when I'm traveling, even though I have the backpack with me. If I'm going out to dinner or somewhere where I don't want to lug around a huge big backpack, this is super easy just to throw on and I don't have to worry about it. And what I like about it is when I go to pack it, it doesn't take up that much room, so it's not that big of an inconvenience. I always carry chapstick with me. This one, I don't even know, I got it in Utah. It's Rocky Mountain Sunscreen Medicated Lip and Repair. Chapstick is boring, I know that, but this stuff is amazing. The other thing I keep, because I wear press-on nails, I always keep a little emergency pack here of all the things that I need in case I have a pop-off. So pop-offs happen, it is what it is, but it's super easy to fix. And all I have in here is glue, I have an alcohol pad, and then I have an emery board or a nail file kind of thing. And so the great thing about these is if my glue tube opens, it's protected, it's not gonna get all over, but I always keep one of these with me. I recently purchased these for my last trip. These are essential oil wipes. They're little towelettes, and it says has aromatherapy enjoy the soothing aromatherapy benefits of this towelette while cleansing hands and breathing deeply. So I always, especially in the wintertime, when I go to wash my hands in public restrooms, the soap eats my skin. Like literally, I have such sensitive skin on my hands and I cannot use regular hand soap normally. And especially when I'm in the airport, I'm constantly washing my hands and going to the bathroom in the airport and all that stuff. So I started carrying these because they clean your skin, they clean your hands, but they also don't strip your hands of all the essential oils and stuff like that, and it smells really good. So I started using this. The other thing that I keep with me, and I sometimes keep it in my personal bag, but sometimes I keep it in my carry-on. This is a little TMI, but these are wet wipes for your butt. So it's just a travel essential. I don't need to explain why, but I like these like convenient go things. I don't have to carry like a huge big thing of butt wipes with me. They're flushable. You can keep them in your purse, and it just, you know, like I just keep them in the hotel, but they're there for freshness. The other thing I always bring is snacks. Now this is where it's not brand specific, but it is so hard to find snacks in the airport that are affordable. And I, because I'm allergic to soy, only can eat certain kind of chocolates, and Unreal has no soy in it. So I always bring Unreal snacks with me. I always bring Kleenex. You just never know when you're gonna need them. I always bring headphones with a plug-in because there are some airplanes, depending on how long you're going, that do actually have the movies on them and they have the plug-in there. So you can usually ask them, but I would just like to bring my own. But I also always bring my AirPods as well. So I do watch a lot of things on my phone, and a lot of times with the flights, especially I mostly fly American, I have the app, and so I'm able to pull up entertainment during the flight and watch it on my phone, and then I'm able to do it with this. The other thing I like to do is carry my jewelry separately. So there's a variety of different things you can get off of Amazon where you can kind of keep your jewelry. I don't wear necklaces because every single time I wear a necklace, I always leave it in the hotel. But mostly, and plus I have like my little gold one, my cross that I always keep with me. So what I like to do is I wear earrings and bracelets. So I take a regular, just a makeup bag, a small makeup bag, and I keep it in here so that they're connected, or so they're not like bubbling out all over the place, but they don't get as tangled and stuff like that. I mean, they do a little bit, but it's not that big a deal. Another thing I purchased off of Amazon, these little small, they're itty bitty, they're so cute. But what I like to do, because I use a lot of serums and oils, I like to keep them in here, and sometimes I need more than one. The other thing I like to do in them is my skin tint, just so I have it there. I sometimes use the Ordinary Buffet, so any kind of serums would work, but I just like them because they're super travel friendly and they don't take up a lot of space. I like to bring dry shampoo. The company that I use for my hair, they do not have a travel size dry shampoo, so I always use the Living Proof. This one is the Perfect Day dry shampoo. This is my favorite. It does leave a super white cast, but for traveling, it's amazing, and I always have something. And then I also have travel sizes for, now this is how, like, this ain't nothing fancy. Like, if you're looking for like cutesy travel essentials where everything matches and stuff like that, that is not this. That is not me. But I like these. They came in like a little set thing, but I ended up not using all of them. But they're just little spray bottles. I have my heat protectant, and then I have my blowout spray, and I just keep them in my closet, and then when I need to go use them for traveling, they're ready to go. But I just really like that. And then I keep all my liquids in, obviously, a clear bag. This is one of the bags that I got from Mary Kay, so it's the travel bag. And what I like about that, usually if I'm going for a long trip, and you know, like when we're going on vacation or whatever, when we went to Utah, I took the rolling travel thing, and I like to hang it up. This one is a very short trip, so I'll just put all my liquids right here, and then I'm able to pull it out when I go through security, and then shove it back into my personal bag once I'm done. Next thing that I like to travel with is this little bad boy here. This is a hard case that I keep all my like electronics, if you will. So it's a really nice place to have it organized. So I've got my Apple Watch charger, I've got my regular phone charger, and then I have a wall, a brick, just in case. A lot of them have like a USB that you could plug in, but I always bring a brick just in case, because I've been to hotels where they don't, and then I'm screwed. So it's always fun. And then these two right here, these are battery packs. So a lot of times you have the brick battery packs or battery backup things. And like I said, that's what I like about this backpack. It has that option where you don't have to have it dangling. You can just hook your phone up and it's like connected there. But I really like these. I wish I could show you, but I'm using my phone right now. But this just plugs up under my phone, and it's not huge. It stays right in there. I can bring it all around. I don't have like cords and this huge big brick that I'm having to figure out. It's super easy, convenient, travel friendly, and it will charge my phone up 100%. And you can tell here when it's charged. You've got the little, it uses the same charger as my Apple or my iPhone stuff. So that is super easy and convenient. The other thing that I like to do in my carry-on, so those are items that I don't necessarily, or I'm not going to use or necessarily need at the airport. So it's normally my clothes, all that stuff. So I purchased this off of Amazon. It's this convenient little bag, but it's got little dividers in it that you can section off your clothes, and it just makes it so much more organized. And again, from somebody who has had their underwear flown all over the airport, it's very, very convenient. So like with these, I usually carry some of my underwear in them, so it's just protected. And then you have you get all these bags here, different sizes, different mesh and all that stuff, where you can keep some clothes in. So what I like to do is I will put my outfits all together, my jeans, my socks. Sometimes I'll put my underwear with it or whatever if I'm really being crazy. And then I'll just put it in these bags so that they're easy. I can pull them out. I know exactly what I'm wearing, and it's just super, super convenient. So I think that's it for the main things. I might come back on here like as I remember certain things, but those are kind of the main ones that I non-negotiable. Every single time I travel, I always have those type of things with me. And as I've traveled more and more, I start to get a little bit more organized. So if you guys have any travel tips or products that make your life easier, leave your comments below, let other viewers know. I would love some ideas as well, especially if you're somebody who travels. So definitely leave those below. If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I am much more active and in more real time on that platform. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at the D Harker. Until next time, bye.